Welcome to the heart of our planet, the Amazon rainforest. A verdant expanse teeming with life, a colossal ecosystem that plays a vital role in our world's balance. Often called the lungs of the planet, the Amazon produces a significant portion of the world's oxygen. It's a complex web of interconnected life, from towering trees to tiny insects. Home to an astonishing array of biodiversity, the Amazon is a natural treasure trove. From vibrant macaws to elusive jaguars, countless species call this rainforest home. For centuries, indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the Amazon, possessing a deep understanding of its rhythms. Their traditional knowledge is invaluable in preserving this precious ecosystem. However, this delicate balance is under threat. Deforestation is a growing concern, as vast tracts of rainforest are cleared for agriculture, logging and mining. This not only destroys habitats but also accelerates climate change. But hope remains. Organizations and individuals are working tirelessly to protect the Amazon and promote sustainable practices. Reforestation efforts are underway, and indigenous communities are at the forefront of conservation. The Amazon rainforest is a symbol of resilience and hope. It's a place of extraordinary beauty and ecological importance. By understanding and protecting this precious ecosystem, we can ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Let's work together to preserve the Amazon. Support organizations dedicated to rainforest conservation and make conscious choices to reduce your carbon footprint. Learn more about the Amazon, explore, protect, conserve.